Welcome to Nigeria, a land of vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes. Beyond the bustling cities, a world of natural wonders awaits. Journey with us as we explore the diverse beauty of this remarkable country, from lush forests to cascading waterfalls, from soaring mountains to pristine beaches. Nigeria's natural heritage is a sight to behold. Get ready to be captivated by the raw beauty and untamed spirit of wild Nigeria. Prepare to be amazed by cascading waterfalls, discover hidden caves and natural springs, encounter incredible wildlife in their natural habitat. Nigeria's natural treasures are ready to be explored. Let's embark on an unforgettable journey into the heart of wild Nigeria. Step into the embrace of Nigeria's lush forests. These emerald green realms teem with life. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, creating a dappled spectacle on the forest floor. The air is alive with the sounds of nature. Discover the magic of Ijesha waterfalls. Water cascades down a series of 7 levels. Each level offers a unique perspective on this natural wonder. The refreshing spray and the thunderous roar of the falls create an unforgettable sensory experience. Agboken Falls offers a different kind of beauty. Here, the water plunges dramatically over a cliff edge. The falls are surrounded by lush vegetation, creating a picture-perfect scene. These are just a glimpse into the beauty of Nigeria's forests and waterfalls. Every corner holds a new wonder waiting to be discovered. Nigeria's landscape is punctuated by majestic mountains and hills. These natural wonders offer breathtaking views and a chance to connect with the raw power of nature. Idanre Hills is a sight to behold. Ancient steps carved into the hillside lead to the summit. As you ascend, the view becomes increasingly spectacular. From the top, you'll be rewarded with a panoramic vista of the surrounding landscape. Journey to Obudu Mountain Resort, perched high in the mountains. This resort offers stunning views of rolling hills and valleys. Take a ride on the cable car and soar above the clouds. The feeling of being on top of the world is truly exhilarating. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or simply seeking breathtaking views, Nigeria's mountains and hills offer an unforgettable experience. Nigeria's national parks and game reserves are havens for diverse wildlife. These protected areas are not just about preserving nature, they are about celebrating the incredible variety of life that thrives in this region. These protected areas offer a glimpse into the rich biodiversity of this remarkable country. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every species plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Yankari National Park is a must-visit for wildlife enthusiasts. It is one of the most popular destinations for those looking to experience the wild heart of Nigeria. This park is home to elephants, lions, giraffes, baboons, and a wide variety of bird species. Each visit promises a new adventure, with the chance to see these majestic animals up close. Take a guided safari and witness these incredible creatures in their natural environment. The knowledgeable guides provide fascinating insights into the behavior and habits of the animals. Gashaka Gumti National Park is another treasure trove of biodiversity. It is the largest national park in Nigeria and offers a unique experience for nature lovers. This park spans 2 states and encompasses a variety of habitats from grasslands to rainforests. The diverse landscapes provide a sanctuary for many species. It is home to some of Nigeria's most endangered species, making it a crucial area for conservation. Efforts to protect these species are vital for maintaining the ecological balance. These parks are not only crucial for wildlife conservation but also offer visitors an unforgettable opportunity to connect with nature and witness the beauty of the animal kingdom. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, the experience of exploring Nigeria's national parks is truly unparalleled. Mysteries underground, caves and hidden springs. Beneath the surface of Nigeria lie hidden worlds waiting to be discovered. Explore mystical caves and encounter the wonder of natural springs. Ogbunike Caves is a network of caves shrouded in legend. Local folklore tells of the caves offering refuge to people during the slave trade. Today, the caves are a place of spiritual significance and a testament to Nigeria's rich history. Ikogosi Warm Springs is a natural wonder that defies explanation. Here, warm and cold springs converge in a single pool. Witness the steaming hot water flowing into the cool spring water, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. These underground wonders offer a glimpse into the hidden beauty of Nigeria's natural landscape. Where the land meets the sea, coastal beauty. Nigeria's coastline stretches for hundreds of kilometers, offering a diverse array of beaches and coastal scenery. The coastline is a treasure trove of natural wonders, where the land meets the sea in a harmonious blend of beauty and serenity. From tranquil lagoons to dramatic cliffs, the coast is a place of endless beauty. The lagoons provide a peaceful retreat, while the cliffs offer breathtaking views and a sense of adventure. Ibino Beach in Akwa Ibom State is a paradise for beach lovers. This expansive beach is perfect for long walks, sunbathing and enjoying the gentle waves. This pristine beach boasts fine golden sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters. The inviting waters are perfect for swimming, and the golden sands are ideal for building sandcastles or simply relaxing under the sun. Relax on the shore, take a dip in the ocean, or enjoy a variety of water sports. Whether you prefer kayaking, jet skiing, or simply floating in the gentle waves, there's something for everyone. Tarkwa Bay, located near Lagos, offers a different kind of coastal experience. This bay is a hidden gem, providing a serene escape from the bustling city life. This sheltered bay is ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and enjoying water sports. The calm waters make it a safe haven for families and those looking to unwind. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this coastal paradise. The gentle waves and soft sands provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation and reflection. Nigeria's coast is a place of endless beauty and tranquility. Each beach and bay has its own unique charm, offering a variety of experiences for visitors. Discover the magic of the ocean and create unforgettable memories. Whether you're exploring the vibrant marine life, enjoying a sunset stroll, or simply soaking in the natural beauty, Nigeria's coastline promises an experience like no other. Nature's guardians, culture and conservation. For generations, local communities in Nigeria have lived in harmony with nature. Their daily lives are deeply connected to the land, water, and wildlife around them. From fishing in the rivers to farming on fertile lands, every activity is a testament to their symbiotic relationship with the environment. Their traditions and beliefs are intertwined with the natural world, fostering a deep respect for the environment. Elders pass down stories and rituals that emphasize the importance of nature, teaching younger generations to honor and protect their surroundings. Many communities view certain natural landmarks as sacred. These sites, often steeped in myth and legend, hold spiritual significance and are treated with the utmost reverence. These sites are often protected through traditional beliefs and practices, ensuring their preservation for future generations. Rituals and ceremonies performed at these landmarks reinforce their sacred status and help maintain their pristine condition. This deep connection between culture and nature is a testament to the importance of preserving Nigeria's natural heritage. Festivals and dances held in natural settings celebrate this bond, showcasing the vibrant cultural tapestry that is interwoven with the environment. Conservation efforts are underway across the country to protect Nigeria's natural treasures. Dedicated rangers and conservationists work tirelessly to safeguard these areas, ensuring that the rich biodiversity is maintained. National parks and game reserves are working tirelessly to combat poaching, deforestation, and other threats to the environment. Initiatives such as anti-poaching patrols and reforestation projects are crucial in these efforts, aiming to restore and protect the natural habitats. By supporting sustainable tourism and respecting local customs, visitors can play a role in protecting Nigeria's natural beauty for generations to come. Eco-friendly activities and guided tours offer a way to experience the country's stunning landscapes while contributing to conservation efforts. Planning your Nigerian adventure. Planning a trip to experience the natural wonders of Nigeria? Here are some essential tips to make your journey unforgettable. The best time to visit Nigeria for outdoor activities is during the dry season, which typically runs from November to April. The weather is generally sunny and dry during these months, making it ideal for exploring national parks, hiking, and enjoying the beaches. When packing for your trip, be sure to bring light, breathable clothing, comfortable walking shoes, sunscreen, insect repellent, and a hat. Don't forget your camera to capture the breathtaking scenery. Remember to respect local customs and traditions when visiting natural sites. Always ask for permission before taking photographs of people and be mindful of your surroundings. A call to explore. Nigeria's natural beauty is a testament to the wonders of the natural world. From lush forests to cascading waterfalls, from towering mountains to pristine beaches, there's something for everyone to discover in this remarkable country. Answer the call of adventure and embark on a journey to discover the untamed beauty of wild Nigeria. Create memories that will last a lifetime and reconnect with the power and splendor of the natural world. Come and experience the magic of Nigeria for yourself.